What's up guys, it's Bailey. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored and in partnership with Fabfitfun, and today I'm basically just going to be doing an unboxing of Fabfitfun's spring box. I feel like I have seen so much about Fabfitfun the past like 3 years, like all over social media, and honestly I've just been super curious ever since I started seeing ads for Fabfitfun to see like if the box is really that great. So when Fabfitfun reached out to me and asked if I wanted to like collaborate on a video, I was super excited. Basically, if you don't know what Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box. So they send out 4 boxes a year. This right here is the spring box. Inside of your boxes you can get like plenty of different things. You can get like makeup or skincare or like everyday wear stuff. Basically, there's so many different things that you can get inside of your boxes, and Fabfitfun actually lets you like customize some of the items in your boxes so you can like make sure that it's tailored to you. The spring box's theme is metamorphosis. They all have themes. So obviously there's butterflies all over it for the metamorphosis theme. Each box is $49.99, but they have like $200 plus worth of like value. I've only gotten 2 boxes from Fabfitfun, last season's and then this season's. Obviously I haven't got a lot of boxes, but I can tell you just from like last box and this box, I really love all of the products. And my first box, like I have emptied the entire thing out and I've used literally everything in it. Also, if you guys use my code Bailey10, you can get your first box $10 off, which always helps. And just for like future reference, if you were to be like an annual member, you will get sent the first shipment of boxes. So you'll be one of the first people to get your box each season. So yeah, that's just a few things about Fabfitfun, but I'm really excited to actually get into the box and show you guys what they sent me this month. So all of the boxes open up like this, and it always comes with a few like little paper things on top of like the tissue paper and like the actual items. The products. I'm just gonna start with this because this is literally what I saw first when I opened the box. This is a Caravan little rug. It's just a cute little rug, and this could go on the floor next to your bed or whatever. I'm actually redoing my bedroom at my dad's house really soon, so this rug will actually look so cute in that room. Okay, the next thing that was below the rug is this. This is a body oil. It's by the brand Jabonera Marianella. Okay, girl, you got me so messed up. Okay. Basically, I can't pronounce any of the words on it, but what I'm understanding is it's a rosewood and Litzy Cubeba body oil. I personally love body oils because my skin gets so dry in the winter, and with this being like the spring box, it's good to get something like this because you're transitioning into like warmer, I live in Wisconsin, so not really warmer weather, and you don't want no dry skin. So this is really good. Okay, I just wanted to open it so that I can like smell it and test it. So it is like an oil, but it's a little thicker of an oil. Like it's not super watery, which I personally love. Oh my god. Oh, this literally smells like a Lush product. Like if you know what Lush is. It smells so amazing. Wow. Literally so good. It also made my skin super like glowy and just like, I don't know, like what a body oil does. That literally smells so good though. Okay, next thing I'm gonna grab is this. This is a Wish Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. So it just looks like this, and it's a super cute little white box. And this is what the actual packaging looks like. So this is supposed to be an antioxidant-rich, skin-balancing, purifying mask. Oh, it also is supposed to deeply moisturize. This is always a plus with face masks, especially if you're like, whoa, if you're like me. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing too. So this is what the face mask looks like. It's just like a clay. So I'm really curious to see how this is gonna work on my face, but I will test this, and then as soon as I test this and get my opinion on it, I'll leave that in the description box so you guys see my opinion of it in the description box. Next thing I'm going to show you guys is this jewelry item, and this is a Amber Skeets layered necklace. I think it's layered. I don't think it's 2 of them. It just looks like this. It's a gold necklace with these 2 little circle pendants, and they're really cute. They have, it looks like when you like press clay with something and then the clay kind of like goes out on the edges. I don't even know if that makes sense. I'll try to show you guys. Like, do you guys see how it seems like it like was just like stamped? I really like how that looks. So this is just one single necklace, or it has like 1 clasp, but then it has like 2 layered necklaces, and I honestly love it. It's so cute. I literally love it. That's so cute. The next thing are silicone straws from the brand Chic and Tonic. So you get 4 straws and they just are like that, and then you also get a cleaner, which if you're not familiar with like reusable straws, either like silicone or metal, most of them always come with this little like brush thing so that when you're cleaning them you can like stick the brush through and like make sure like the inside of the straw is really clean. Oh, what else? They also give you this little like pill-shaped case. I don't know if you want to like throw this in your purse or clip it on your keys or something. So just like that, you can put your little straw in there. It is cute to care about the environment. So if you can just use one of these instead of a plastic straw, it actually is going to make a difference. Especially if everybody does it. There's 3 things left. One being this aeothermal Evian. I don't know what these French words are. I actually don't know if it's French. I'm sorry, I could be super mistaken. But it's literally just water and nitrogen. Like, that's the ingredients. It's literally a can of water. But let me tell you, it is so refreshing and it feels so good. I love this. You can use this as like a priming spray, a setting spray, or just something to like refresh your face. It just looks like this and I honestly love it. The next thing is this AG Haircare Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner. I'll also tell you how I feel about this in the description once I use it. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing as well. Everything in this box smells so good. But this is just a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners are always good, so your hair is moisturized and healthy looking. The last thing in the box I'm super excited about because I recently ran out of my moisturizer at my dad's house, and there's like 3 moisturizers that I'll use. No more, no less. There's 3 that I like. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer. It's the Tarte, the Dewy Skin Cream. I literally love this one, but then I also love the Polypeptide Drunk Elephant one. But then this one I also really love, and it's less expensive than the other 2. It's the Tarte Sea Drink of H2O moisturizer. This is what the box looks like. It's super cute, little light blue and white. Super cute springtime packaging. I love this packaging so much actually. This right here reminds me so much of the Glam Glow like water moisturizer. Neutrogena also has a one that's like a water gel consistency, and I love them. If you guys can see here, it's literally like super thin and just like super, I don't even know. It's like so moisturizing though. Let me tell you guys, this also smells so good. So that is everything that was in the FabFitFun box for spring 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of different than what I normally do, but I had a lot of fun with it. If you guys are interested in FabFitFun, make sure to click my link in the description to subscribe to FabFitFun. Like I said, you can use my coupon code Bailey10 for $10 off your first box. Thank you so much to FabFitFun for working with me and sponsoring today's video. It was a ton of fun, and thank you guys all for watching. Alright, bye guys!